What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install fuel vent caps into any standard gas can. I picked up this 6-pack kit of these fuel gas can vent caps on Amazon for about $10. It included everything I need to install into any standard gas can. So let's install it on this gas can here. You're going to identify the location in which you want the gas cap to be. It came with a drill bit, so you don't have to even buy one. All right. Now just make sure all the scraps come out. Next, what you need to do is it comes with this little metal wire. You're going to feed the wire through the hole that you drilled, and then you're going to pop it out through the main fill hole, just like such. And now you're going to prep your cap, your valve. So you're just going to unscrew everything. All you need is the valve stem itself and the one O-ring on the bottom. You're going to feed it onto the metal wire. I like to put a little bend in the metal wire so it doesn't fall off. And now you're going to pull it all the way through till you get to the side here. I'll pull the wire out. I'll take that O-ring that needed to go on the outside. I'll put that on the outside. It has this washer here. Next goes that washer. Next goes the sling for the cap, and then goes this nut. Thread the nut on, just like so. And they even included a small little wrench in this kit, and just tighten that down. There you have it. I've now installed a fuel gas can vent cap. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.